First term. English 4. Quarter 1. Week 6. Today's lesson is all about producing a text with introduction, body, and conclusion in conveying ideas using introduction, body, and conclusion. Note: teachers may assign learning competencies per week depending on the needs of the learners. Here are our learning competencies and objectives for today. At the end of the lesson, the pupils should be able: first, identify the parts of a text, introduction, body, and conclusion, and explain their functions. Second, organize ideas by arranging details appropriately into the introduction, body, and conclusion. Third, compose a clear and meaningful text using an introduction, body, and conclusion to convey ideas effectively.
What is information? Information is a collection of facts, details, or data that gives us knowledge or helps us understand something better. Examples: the sentence, "Plants need sunlight to grow," is information because it gives a fact. A weather report tells us information about the temperature and conditions. What is a text? A text is a group of words, sentences, or paragraphs that are written or spoken to communicate an idea or message. Examples of text: a story, a paragraph, a message or letter, an informational article. What is informational text? An informational text is a type of text that is written to give facts, explain ideas, or provide information about a topic. Examples: a science article about animals, a report about the weather, a textbook lesson, a news article. Introduction of the text. This is the beginning part of the text. It tells us what the text is about. It answers, "What will I learn?" or "What is this about?" Body of the text. This is the middle part. It gives the most information and facts. It may include steps, explanations, or details about the topic. Conclusion. This is the ending part of the text. It sums up or reviews what was talked about. It answers, "What did I learn?" or "Why is this topic important?" Examples of informational texts: news articles report current events. Travelogues describe places and experiences. Feature articles discuss people or topics. Textbooks explain lessons in different subjects. Recipes show ingredients and steps to prepare food. Here are the procedures in writing an informational text. Let's learn how to write an informational text, step by step. Step 1. Choosing a topic. Before we write, we need to choose a topic. This is what your informational text will be about. Choose something you know about, something you like, or something we are learning in school. Example topic: my favorite fruit. How to stay healthy. Step 2. Gathering information. Good writers gather real and correct information before writing. This helps us give clear facts and explanations. Here's how we gather information. Use books, websites, or articles to find facts. Share ideas through class discussion. Take notes or use a graphic organizer to record details. Step 3. Planning and organizing your ideas. Before we start writing, it's important to plan and organize our ideas. Planning helps us know what to say, and organizing helps us say it clearly. Why is planning important? 1. So our ideas don't get mixed up. 2. To make writing easier and more focused. And 3. To make sure we include all the important information. Step 4. Writing your informational text. Here's what to remember while writing. Use your outline to stay on topic. Write in simple, clear, and complete sentences. Make sure all your facts are correct and true. Put your ideas in the right order from beginning, middle, end. Use transition words to connect your ideas and help your writing flow smoothly. Here are some examples. First, next, then, finally. Also, in addition, for example. Because, so, however. As a result, in conclusion, to sum up. Step 5. Editing and revising. Revising means improving the content and ideas of your writing. Ask yourself, did I explain my topic clearly? Are my facts correct? Do my ideas make sense and follow a clear order? Editing means fixing grammar, spelling, and punctuation. You need to check the following. 1. Capital letters at the beginning of sentences and for names. 2. Periods, commas, and question marks. 3. Correct spelling of words. And 4. Sentence structure. Step 6. Finalizing your informational text. Follow these steps to finish strong. Use the corrections and suggestions from your editing and revising time. Neatly write your final version on clean paper, or use a computer to type it if allowed. Make sure your writing includes 1. A clear introduction. 2. A detailed body with facts and subtopics. 3. A strong conclusion. 4. Correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Lesson summary. In this lesson, we learned how to produce a clear and organized text using the three main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. We understood that the introduction presents the main idea or topic, the body provides supporting details and explanations, and the conclusion summarizes the ideas and gives a closing statement. By using these parts, we are able to organize our thoughts clearly and communicate ideas effectively in writing.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.